You know those days when you open the fridge and think you have nothing to make, but somehow it's overflowing with things you need to finish? That was me today. And all I was craving was a quick, comforting pizza. So I grabbed a Dr. Oetker pizza and decided to make it better with whatever I had left in the fridge. I had some olives and paprika. I'm going to dice my paprika and adding them as toppings with the olives. It took less than a minute and everything went right into the oven. The kitchen smelled like a pizzeria. This is why I trust DO pizzas. Once it's ready, I sliced it up and honestly, this was so good.